Okay, so real quick background story to this next video that I'm about to show you. I've been having this bottle of wine for about 3 or 4 weeks, and I tore up the cork using this cheap corkscrew. And so in this video, it's like the determination of us trying to get this cork out. And if you don't take anything from the video, if you don't like the video, my purpose for posting this video is the determination it took us to get this cork out of this wine bottle so that we can drink this wine. I just want to use that determination in every aspect of my life. So I hope that this inspires you, because it inspires me. It just makes me want to be more determined and really just get things done, because once you get it done, you'll be rewarded. Okay, so we're about to see if getting the wine bottle off with a lighter really works, because as you can see, it's all jacked up in there. I want to say it's moving so bad, but I don't think it is at all.
I feel like I felt maybe, but
I think this one's too big.
Don't worry.
It's not like the regular cork.
In our life.
that hurts.
What you hiding for?
Dangerous in this one.
This has been here for like 3-4 weeks. Yes, yes, yes.
Gang, gang.
Thank you. Okay, so a few takeaways from this video. Spend a little extra money and buy a better corkscrew. And also find what makes you determined. For us that day, it just happened to be we wanted to drink some wine. But find what causes you, or what drives you to get something done. Get it done and then reap the benefits of that reward. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.